Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the Iesooy 300W Pico PSU, a compact power solution designed for mini ITX systems and other small form factor builds. If you're looking to minimize space without sacrificing power, this little unit might be exactly what you need. The Iesooy PS002D is a DC-DC ATX power supply module that connects directly to your motherboard via a 24-pin ATX connector. Its primary purpose is to convert DC power from an external AC-DC power adapter, not included, into the various voltages required by your motherboard, CPU, and other components. One of the most appealing aspects of this Pico PSU is its size. Traditional ATX power supplies can be bulky and take up valuable space, especially in compact cases. The Iesooy Pico PSU, on the other hand, is incredibly small, freeing up room for better airflow, additional components, or simply a cleaner-looking build. According to the specifications, the Iesooy Pico PSU operates within an input voltage range of 11.4 VDC to 12.6 VDC, with a maximum incoming current of 28.0 A at 11.4 VDC. It can handle an input surging current of 12.0 A at 12 VDC. The manufacturer claims an efficiency rating of greater than or equal to 85%, which is quite respectable. The 300W wattage rating should be sufficient for many ITX builds, especially those using integrated graphics or lower power discrete GPUs. However, it's crucial to carefully calculate the power requirements of all your components to ensure that the PSU can handle the load. Overloading the PSU can lead to instability or even damage. The Iesooy Pico PSU is compatible with a wide range of devices, including mini computers, all-in-one computers, POS systems, digital set-top boxes, ITX chassis, network servers, advertising displays, and banking terminals. This versatility makes it a great option for various applications beyond just gaming PCs. The unit uses an ATX 24-pin connector for connecting to the motherboard. The listed output wattage is 260W, while the product name suggests 300W. Potential buyers should verify the actual continuous output wattage to ensure it meets their system requirements. The working temperature range is specified as -5 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, with a humidity range of 45% to 75%. These are standard operating conditions for most electronic devices, but it's still important to ensure adequate cooling within your case to prevent overheating. In summary, the Iesooy 300W Pico PSU is a compact and efficient power solution for mini ITX and other small form factor builds. Its small size, high efficiency, and wide compatibility make it an attractive option for those looking to minimize space without compromising performance. However, it's essential to carefully calculate your system's power requirements and ensure that the PSU can handle the load.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.